Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a video on the channel, something different. I want to see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max tempered glass works on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I should say that in the title. So let's start the video, show you what we're talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 16 Pro tempered glass from Spigen. I did not make a video on this because I completely forgot, but I did have it in stock, and I do not have a tempered glass for the 17 Pro Max. It's actually going to be delivered today from Amazon, so I will have another video on that tempered glass. But as far as the one that I have for right now, I'm really curious to see if it will work with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I did actually leave from Best Buy, and I did actually talk to one of the reps. I just asked her, hey, do you think that the 17 Pro Max will work if you have a 16 Pro Max tempered glass? And she said it definitely won't. But when I look at the pictures, it seems like a lot of the tempered glass don't have a cutout for the island. This little camera inside the front of the device, so it's usually just all glass. So I'm very curious to see if this will work, because they do have similar screens, and I will do a case test as well. So if you guys haven't picked up this one before, this is a really great brand when it comes to tempered glass and when it comes to screen protector. So as you can see, you get a squeegee, you have a thing for using Spigen, and it is a 2-pack, and you get a whole bunch of stuff. It shows you how to install it, and you should have a wet wipe, and you have a dust removal, and you have a microfiber cleaning cloth, and you have a cleaning wipe. Now what I want to do is I want to power this off, so we make this absolutely perfect. So how I normally do it is I'll get the wet wipe, and we will clean off the front of the screen. I've had this phone for about maybe 3 days so far, so this is a way more stronger glass than last year, but we will see. I always like to protect my screens as far as with scratches, because I usually get scratches very easily. Alright, so we're gonna clean up, and what you want to do is you really want to just see if there's any type of dust or anything on there. So it looks pretty good. So how you do is you take out your first one, and you just make sure that you know where the top is, and you peel off this back part right here. Now this is where we are going to see if it actually fits the phone exactly like the one from last year. Now it doesn't look like it's going in perfectly here. Let's try that again. Alright, so barely fits in there, but as you can see, top to bottom has been done. So what you do is you have to press on here, just like so. Press, slide, and you gotta wait 30 seconds. I am really curious to see if this actually works. Alright, so let's just see what happens here. So remove from here, so you get this part, and then you peel it back. Alright, and then I believe that you take this off. Alright, and where is my squeegee? Squeegee is definitely on deck. Let's try to get some of these bubbles out. If you can't get the bubble out from here, then you could probably get it when you peel off that sticker. Not looking like you're getting all the bubbles through here. See if you could press it out. Alright, so on the very last step, what you want to do is you want to peel this part off. Alright, so as you can see, it fits, but we do have some bubbles. Let's see if we could take those out. Now, is this a perfect match? It sure looks like it's perfect, but this is definitely working so far, in my opinion. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. I think it fits pretty good. I could definitely see on the edges it's kind of lifting up a little bit, but the more that I use the squeegee, the more it seems like they're coming off with no problems. Just trying to get this one out. All right. Looks like I might have one bubble that has a little bit of dirt in there. Just went away, never mind. Just have to do a little bit of work, and it looks like it's working so far. Let's see if I get that one out. All right, so what do you guys think? I think it fits. I don't see no type of issues besides these little bubbles here that's telling me that it doesn't fit with the phone. Maybe 1, 2, 3 bubbles, but I do have another video coming that's going to have a privacy screen protector. But as far as the fit, it is very, very close. Very, very close. So what do you guys think? I'm going to power it on right now so you guys can see, but I think it fits pretty well. And I'm going to get a couple of cases to just see if it works with cases, because you know that there's times that you put on cases and then it lifts up from the side. But from what I see here, I don't see no type of issues here. I don't see an issue here. And maybe the girl from Best Buy was incorrect, and it looks like it fits perfectly, to be honest. As you can see, edge to edge with no issues. All right, so what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you have an experience having to use the 16 Pro Max tempered glass screen protectors on the 17 Pros or the Pro Maxes? You let me know down in the comments below. But if you guys want to pick this up, maybe at a cheaper price point, I will have a link down below to that one. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. It looks absolutely fine. No issues at all. Works just fine. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.